Hi, my name is Marsha and I'm from Indonesia. I'm currently studying concept art and illustration in 3dsense Media School. Studying in Singapore felt like a good option since it's closer to home and there's great opportunities to learn about the Asian art industry. I also really love the art scene here as there are always events to attend on the weekends.
My name is Samvit. I'm from India and I'm a 3D modeling student at 3dsense. I chose to study at 3dsense because of its strong performance in the rookies, where it ranked 5th worldwide and 6th in game design, a field which I am particularly interested in.
My name is Juan. I'm from Costa Rica and I'm a VFX student at 3dsense. Coming from a country with a completely different culture and language, it was quite hard and overwhelming at the start, but having amazing people around me made it so much easier to settle in. It's been amazing being able to experience a multicultural country that's really different from my own.
We do have regular classes, but outside of that, my classmates and I love to hang out at each other's places. I also enjoy finding new foods at hawker centers.
I've also been able to connect with schoolmates through extracurricular activities like basketball, running club, and also the casual Mario Party.
Being an international student in Singapore has been a really smooth experience. The people are warm and welcoming, and getting around is easy thanks to the well-connected public transport system. But what surprised me most though was a strong sense of community and the meaningful connections you can build while studying here, both inside and outside the classroom. The same support extends to our classes as well. Our lecturers are highly experienced and are always generous in giving real industry insights and advice. This has helped me better understand the creative industry and feel more confident about the different paths I can take after graduating.
Tham gia ngay workshop đánh giá portfolio và trình diễn game art cùng Hàng Lương và 3dsense ngày 11 tháng 4 năm 2026 này. Workshop diễn ra từ 14 giờ tại số 62 Võ Văn Tần, phường Xuân Hòa, quận 3 Cũ, thành phố Hồ Chí Minh. Nhanh tay đăng ký online bằng cách quét mã QR hoặc liên hệ hotline 0932 233 521 để được hỗ trợ số lượng chỗ ngồi có hạn. Đăng ký ngay hôm nay.